Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Everything is safe here. The pallets are safe, as you see. The strap was okay. Now I just have to take the straps off. I think there are 8 pallets altogether. Yeah. Right, okay. Hey, take your time.
Yeah, no worries. He'll be out in a sec. If you want to call him the orangutan.
Yeah.
That's his nickname.
8 pallets of cardboard. They will do this side. They will unload this. Then with that pump truck, they will put the pump truck. I'll place the pallet there, and then I will just switch on the other pallets, and then they will be able to take it off. So it's a TNT trailer here anyway. I don't know how that driver was able to move all this. So actually it's a Renault DXI 270, looking very similar with DAF CF. Well, actually it's a DAF CF with a Renault badge and a Volvo interior. So if you see me down the road, give me a shout. So little bit forward. If you want, you can take them 3, and then with the pump truck I can move it, because anyway I need for the other side. So yeah, it's the same thing. So we're gonna take this one first. Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. It's okay? And then after he will do that, I'll just have 1, 2, 3, 4 pallets. Yeah, the pallet is not the right one. Mitsubishi pump truck. Nice. Never seen Mitsubishi. So actually, I think it's electric as well, but I don't know how to use it. You have to. You have to drag a little bit out because it's sticking next to the other one. Yeah. Just a little bit. Yeah, clear. Happy days. One second. Yeah. All been done. Lovely jubbly. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well, they have to wait because I need to do the curtain as well, so like 3-4 minutes just to give you a copy. Thank you so much, mate. Really appreciate. Pleasure to deliver here. Lovely place. Thank you. Thank you. need some gloves. If you don't have gloves, it's really hard work.